Come back here now. Come back, sir. Please don't speak, sir. Sir, don't speak, sir. Don't speak complete, fast, and enjoy your time. What's the plan? Cannot stop. 1 minute. Another server. This is my IP. Tomorrow, let's plan class in the third floor only, sir, if possible. Let's see. Observe now, please. Akash, please observe now. Today we're going to please keep your mind here. 1 second, 1 sec. Today we're going to discuss about the how to connect from server 1 to server 2. Till now we connected a server from putty, correct? But in offices there are the chances of using putty also. Correct? Putty the connect ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಂದ connect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ sir. If they want to make the server secure, they want to first connect to the gateway server. They don't want to allow direct connection from ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಂದ connect ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ putty ಇಂದ ಇರ್ತದೆ outside to inside. Correct sir? No, I want to make my server secure. Please observe. So there will be a default gateway server in a company. First you need to connect to that server. From that server all the servers getting connected. But that server is not able to connect from putty. There are the chances maybe there. Correct sir? So today we are going to discuss about how to connect from server 1 to server 2. Okay. Before that, let me first. Let me open a notepad first. Give me 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Observe. This is my first server, server 1. Server 1 IP ಬಂದು 139. Yes sir. This is my server 2. Observe the IP. So because you should have some proofs, sir. So I am collecting for recording. When you watch, then you will get a confidence on the recording. Otherwise you will not be able to show whether it's server 1 or different server or not. White color for naming. You can see the naming. My first server Praveen Technology. Second server my name is Praveen_Linux_Unix. Correct sir. You can see the IP 137 is my second server. First server IP ಬಂದು 139. Correct sir. We connected both the server from putty now. Now I would like to connect from server 1 to server 2. Server 1 ಇಂದ server 1 to server 2 I want to connect. Now observe. Now how to connect from server 1 to server 2, that will discuss now. Please keep your mind here, last one guys. Vivek. 139 I am there. I want to connect to 137. I want to connect to 130. SSH is the command. Putty ಇಂದ use ಮಾಡೋದು SSH connection work ಆಗೋದು. SS concept we discussed the remote connection, sir. Here also same. There we connected from putty to directly to the server. Now we connecting from server 1 to, please don't speak, sir. Now I want to connect from server 1 to server 2. Please observe. Server 1 to server. What is the command? ಪುಟಿಯಿಂದ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು SSH ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋದು SSH. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟಿಯಿಂದ SSH ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇಂದ SSH ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ SSH is the command user name @ destination server. ಸರ್ವರ್ 1 ಇಂದ SSH ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, SSH root your wish anything, but what the user name is going to, that is the remote server, second server user name. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವರ್ಲು ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes sir, no sir? Correct? I give root only. Your wish. What is the username? This username what you going to use? That should be exist in second server. Root @ second server IP ಏನು 192.168.209.137. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇಂದ. I am connecting from server 1 to server 2. Getting my point? Yes, no. Correct? I am going to show you. Then you can get a conference. You people also going to do. Clear? First I am going to complete. Please keep your mind here. I am 139, sir. I am 139, sir. I am going to connect to second server SSH root @ 137. Correct? Correct? Password enter second server password, root password. Logged in. Now Praveen technology itto. Ivaga enaito? This is one proof. Instead of this thing, better we verify with the IP. Connect ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ if config ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 139 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೆ. Now it get 137. Yes. I connected from server 1 to server 2. Yes sir? Correct? Can you try, sir? Can you try? But you ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. You are connecting first time. You will get one option. Are you sure you want to continue ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Yes ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. YES. SSH second server IP. SSH first server ಇಂದ second server IP. Root ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. You can give any name that should be exist in second server. You can give that normal your username also. Everyone should do from first server we need to do. From first server we need to do. Getting my point? Getting Varun? Where is your friend? Silent boy. To us. Oh. Is it? They talking to you feel bad about it. The English joke is focus. Understood? Give need to give yes. YES password ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Will ask password sir. Second server IP correct ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು? 100%. So Done, sir. Who are connected to first server, second server, can you repeat? Yeah. Hello. Come back here now. Who are connected, sir? Kindly confirm once again. Not okay, madam. Whatever. Inactive. Inactive means you restart your session. But click connect, please. Please observe. Okay. Observe now. Now. Okay. See, still connecting. You people who have issues, sir. People who are getting slow. Please restart after finishing class. Whatever. Observe now. Now we connected from sometimes server will be slow. Okay. Sometimes server will be slow. After class, please which are both the server once you reboot it. Observe now. Please come back, come back, come back, come back. Now come back here now. One sec, one sec. Yeah. Previously I am in 139. From by using SSH command, I logged in now. I logged into 137. Again I want to go back to 131st server only. I connected from 139 to 137. Again I want to go back to server 1 only. From here also you can try to SSH root at the rate of first server IP, but that way is not a good. You can create a multiple connection. Just type the exit command. Exit. Exit command, it will exit, go back to first server. Type exit. You'll go back to first server. Now verify your IP. You'll be in the first server. Type exit, will be the first server. Yes, no. Yes, sir. Getting my point, sir? You're doing right? Yes, no. Yes, clear. Now, how to connect from server 1 to, please keep your mind here. How to connect from server 1 to server 2 we came to know. Now how to log into server 2 manually we came to know. But I don't want to log into server 2. Being in server 1, I want to execute one command on server 2. This will play the major role. Is our go now? Please. How to connect server 1 to server 2 manually we came to know. But I don't want to log into server 2. Being in server 1 only, I want to remotely execute a command on server 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸರ್ವರ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ವರ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನ ಸರ್ವರ್ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗುಡ್. Getting my point, sir? Like this in production, what you're going to do? Being in one server, I'm going to capture the uptime of all the 100 servers. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್? Being in one server, I can capture the 100 server uptime, 100 server reboot time, 100 server installation date. Correct? I'm not going to log in. Your login is ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. Manual SSH ಕೊಟ್ಟು user name at the rate of IP. No, I don't want login. I want to execute remotely on server 2, take that output, display in server 1. Correct, sir? Correct. Understood? Yes or no? That I am going to do now. Please. Verification. Please observe. Server 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ 139. Correct, sir? Same command. SSH 137. I want to capture, please keep your mind here. I want to capture the uptime command of server 2. Double quotes mention if config. If con is a verification for which IP I am executing. I want to type the host name command of server 2. This is the proof, sir. Uptime of double quotes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯಲಿ. ನಂಗೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. I want to just execute this command on this server IP, display in server only. To prove you, I am in 139 and executing on 137. Yes, no? I am not going to log in. I execute there, take that output, display here. First I will complete it, watch it, then you are going to do it. Password, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತಾ? ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ? 139 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Please keep your mind. I am getting the output from uptime of second server. 137 second server IP. Host name Linux Unix Super second server. ನಾನು ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲಿ? ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 139 ಬರಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. This proved being in server 1, execute command on server 2, displayed in server 1. Login ಆಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Being in here only I can execute it. Yes sir? Yes or no? Understanding? Yes, no? Can you try, sir, please? See, not able to see your position. Only for you and only. Now, coming or not fine. What should do, sir? What should do? Okay, image. Getting Raga. Sirag. Raga. Getting the print on, huh? Let's. Okay, sir. Who are right? Can you give answer, please? Correct? Any doubt? Clear, sir? Varun? Azana, please come back now. Come back now, please. Being in server 1, come back. Observe here now. Being in server 1, I want to create a user in server 2. Being in server 1, I can create a one user P1 in 100 servers by using only 4 lines of shell scripting. Now manually one server ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Future we going to do in multiple servers when you do any covering shell scripting. Correct, right? You can only think, sir, I want to capture uptime. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿನ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ 100 ಸರ್ವರ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. How much can do? How to log in manually log in, how much you can do? You are alone in shift. Your manager asking you done in 20 minutes. How can you log in, sir? Right? That's the thing. Manual task we should know. But automation will make your profile year to year. Linux shell scripting only make your profile year. Linux, AWS, DevOps will make your profile year only. Shell scripting always make an advantage. DevOps is a tool you are using. That for that only you are getting this much demand. If you are able to develop a tool, DevOps tool what you are using, that backend is a code. Shell scripting. You are able to develop tool, what is the thing using today, tomorrow you will develop one tool. Riaz will develop one tool. That tool will go. Permanent will be Linux will be there, cloud will be there, shell scripting will be there, Python. Python is a core. Python is a core, man. That will be there. Shell scripting for Linux coding, shell scripting mandatory you should know. If you know Python, it will add an advantage. Because for AWS automation. GI, what are the things you are doing? Same thing you are going to do in the Python. That will make the more, always take your coding, will take your profile year to year. What the things you are using, so everything is the people who know coding, people are not in companies, nobody going to touch you. If you people who don't know coding, their lifespan only for 3 to 5 years. This is my frank opinion. I also came from non-coding background, electronics and communication. I studied only VHDL, VLSI, microcontroller. I was not aware about C also when I started. Correct, sir? But everything can be achievable. But nowadays, but I'm not telling you should directly do coding. 2 years, but you should not have an intention. I'm not going to do code. That mentality, a lot of people have that mentality. That you should remove it, correct? But everyone can start. I'm also started from very much, not zero also. I started from very much negative in coding. I was not aware about anything. Now I'm working as completely automation engineer. I'm working only on coding now. On Linux, AWS, shell scripting and DevOps coding. Coding makes your profile jump there, sir. Keep that in mind. I'm not telling you to immediately. This I learned from 8 years. You can't learn immediately. You should not give time yourself. Within 1 month I should be good. That is not going to happen. Magic. If you got a continuous effort, you should enjoy the process. Clear, sir? But keep that in mind. Don't have the mentality that you don't be coding and all. Okay? Done, sir? Now, nodile. I go to second server and let's verify. Get TNT password space username called as a Vijay. There is no user called Vijay, sir. Second server alli. But ನಾನು second server login ಆಗಿರೋದು manually. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ being in first server, I want to create a user Vijay in second server. User is Vijay is not there. Now I'm going to do user add Vijay. Immediate again. Aito. Go. Created. Like this, you can handle 100 server by shell scripting. 100 server Vijay user create ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. Simple for loop will help you out. This we came to know manually. That will do automation. Even if I'm not there, it should automatically work. Cron tab. Correct, sir? Cron tab we didn't cover, no? So we'll be covering soon. Tomorrow, maybe. Tomorrow. If you want to try it, sir. Everyone should try, sir. Please. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಯೂಸರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಗೆಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ವಿಚೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೆಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಟಿ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೋತಾ try, sir, please. Tomorrow class at 11, right? 11 o'clock, right? I told. Tomorrow class. Tomorrow class I pinged in group or not, sir? Tomorrow class time. I not pinged it. Tomorrow class 11. Morning will have AWS. Done, sir? Yes, no? Clear, sir? Now we'll discuss about. Please observe. Now we'll discuss about how to copy a file locally. We know how to copy a file from /tmp to /var in the /tmp. Copy ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತು. Now, please keep your mind here. 1 second, Aman. Any doubt, sir? Any doubt? Any confusion? Any doubt? Any issue? Aditya, any issues? Or good? What happened? What happening, sir? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? Come back, sir, here. Now? How? Done? Vivek, Vijay, come back here. Come back, sir, here, please. Ready? Now, how to transfer locally we know. Same server ಅಲ್ಲಿ /tmp/var in the home ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Lot of option discuss. How to transfer from server to server. One server ಇರೋ ಫೈಲ್ ನ ಬೇರೆ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. That will discuss. Understand my point, sir? Correct? How to transfer file from server to server one file na server 2 transfer ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to do it? We'll do. First go to server 1, go to cd/tmp. Server 1 cd/tmp. Done? Now let's create one file. Test.txt 10, 20, 30, 40. Create one file, sir. Create any file, any dummy file, any content is okay. Done, sir? Now cp command for transferring locally, scp command for transferring remotely. SSH full form ಏನು? Secure shell. SCP full form secure copy. Both work on SSH concept only. I'm going to do for first one, then you can try. Please keep your mind here. I'm going please to verify you. ನಾನಿರೋದು 139 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 137ಗೆ. Correct? SCP. First I will do it. Please keep your mind here. Which file I need to transfer? Test.txt. Your server get 137. They should have a username to transfer. Without, if you give only IP, what will happen? It will take the local username. Correct? Not compulsory. We need to give root only, sir. I have a Abhi user in server 2. You can give Abhi also. This server username should be there in second server. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾನು ರೂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ರೂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎನಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ದಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವರ್. Another one point. If you didn't give any username here, it will take the first server username only. Getting? Yes, no. Vivek, getting the? Okay. Now I go to transfer the Abhi. Abhi at the rate of 192.168.209. 137/TMP. I want to transfer to /TMP of second server. Your location transfer ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ sir. Correct? Before that I'll verify you, so you won't be getting doubt on me. Second server ಇದು verification 137. Correct? Test.txt ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Let's see it. It's not there. Correct sir? After executing this command it will come. Transferred? The file? Yes, no. Correct sir? Do it. Getting my point sir? You are learning all the good things. Transferring file from locally done, remotely, permissions, everything. Please. These all the things we done very easy way in childhood. Laptop, pen drive, right click, left click. Now leave right click, left click, double click. It should be command line mode. More the command line, more the intelligence. Less the command line, less the intelligence. Right click, left click, everyone can do. Yes sir? Yes sir, we can do on right click, left click. It only show cut, copy, paste, use, detail, property. For all the things we have command. Okay, done. Flash start the flash end. What they listening here? Sir, good job. Go to that username ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Take the local. Abhi ಇದೆ, Abhi ಇದೆ. Abhi ಇದೆ ಇದೆ. user ಅದೇ ಇದೆ. That is going to. That is different. If you got transfer, we get there and like what very good. That is going to be. Hi Tata. Yes, no. All done sir. Who all done can different please. Done right? Okay. Now we came to know how to transfer the file. Please observe sir. Please observe. Please keep your mind here. 1 second. Now observe here now. Again I am going to transfer sir. Please observe. There is no change in the file. Again I am trying to transfer. Again it is going to overwrite. What the disadvantage in SCP command is? SCP command doesn't having a capability. Please keep your mind here. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಓವರ್ ರೈಟ್. It doesn't having a capability to check whether already a destination file is existing or not, whether any change is there or not. If it is a change, then it's a okay to transfer. There is a no change only. If I transfer 100 times also, it's going to transfer because SCP command it doesn't having a capability to check whether any change in source and destination or not. Whether change is there, change is not there, it's going to transfer. But this is not okay. Correct or no, sir? Suppose mistakenly I transfer 1 TB file. Scenario 1 TB file transfer ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. It take around 2 hours to transfer. Correct? Mistakenly upper arrow button will work for previous command, sir. I press the upper arrow button. Understand my scenario? 2 hours it took for transfer 1 TB. Mistakenly, I press after transfer and mistake and type it upper arrow button and give an enter mistakenly. Correct? Again, start a transfer. I can't give control C. If control C got a file corrupt out. Again, I need to wait for another 2 hours. That will become problem now. Correct? So we have another very good command called as a rsync. Rsync. It's going to sync. First, it's going to verify whether any change between source and destination server file. Only if there's a change, it's going to transfer. If there's a no change, it's not going to transfer. But I'm not telling SCP command you're not using. We are using SCP command also. Rsync is called as a incremental backup command. It's going to verify source file, destination file. Only if there's a change from source to destination, then it's going to transfer. If there's a no change, it's not going to transfer. SCP command, ಯಾವಾಗ execute ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ, every time it's going to transfer. Every time if it exists, it's going to overwrite it. Overwrite is okay, but if a big file, sir, 5 TB file, you transfer to 5 hours. Mistakenly given upper arrow button. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಫೈಲ್ ಕರಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Understood my point, sir? So we're going to discuss about the rsync command. Then we'll discuss about how to transfer directory also. These are only for file. Rsync, please observe. -A for all, V for verbose, Z for in a compression mode, but it's going to transfer normal file only. Transfer ಆಗುವಾಗ ಬೇಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we're going to send in the compression mode. Z. H for hashing. Hash symbol will come. Not compulsory, but it's not. These are file. Please observe. Please, first I'm going to do. First I'm going to do observe change. Then later I'm going to do. Please keep your mind here. Please. Abhi only. Please observe. Very important. I'm transferring first time. Transfer ಆಯ್ತು. Test.text. First time transfer ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Correct? You can't consider SCP already transfer ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ rsync ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. rsync command execute only, it will keep in cache. If you do in SCP and come back to rsync already transferred, right? SCP, why you taking? What the rsync has, it will keep in its cache. Now I transfer once again. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡು, ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ನಾನು SCP ಕಮಾಂಡ್ 100 ಸತಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ 100 times also it going to work. Test.text, again I'll do SCP, again transferring. Correct? ಅದನ್ನ rsync ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ only it going to transfer the first time. Again I transfer, it won't happen. Yes sir? Correct? Now I'll add a one line. Echo Praveen, what is the file name? Test.text ಅಲ್ಲ? Okay. Echo Praveen test.text. What rsync will do now? What the change it? 1000 lines are there file alli. 999 lines are same. Only one line got added. rsync going to transfer that particular one line only. SCP ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ 1000 line transfer ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Correct? Understand my point, right? Now I'm going to the rsync. Please observe. It's going to transfer now. Transfer ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೂಪರ್. Got my point, sir? They may ask you different rsync and SCP. SCP going to transfer blindly. rsync going to check source and destination file. Only if there's a change, it's going to transfer. If there's no change, it's not going to transfer. Understanding? Please try, sir. Very important, sir. This and all. It's called as a rsync is called as a incremental backup command. Where it should do? It should be, I think, issue made. What issue made? Understood? What etc. Understood? Yes, no. Got my point, sir?
Sir, what is that H hashing used for?
It is used for backend hashing, sir. It is not mandatory, but actually in the that 7 onward, hash symbol will come. Here it's not enabled. A for all, B for output, Z for compression, H for hashing.
What is it used for hashing?
Hash symbol will come. Hash symbol is there, right? Like processing, like this. Hash symbol.
Yes.
Percentage 100% ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. When you do SCP 100% coming, right? Instead 100% hash. Processing stages.
That's not mandatory.
Not. You know, A for all. It should transfer the complete details of the file. B for output. Z for compression mode. A for all, B for output, Z for compression mode, H for hashing. Then same thing we'll repeat for read out. We'll repeat for directory. We'll do for directory, please. Keep in mind, we'll do for directory and wind up the. I'm going to go out. Come back, please. I need to please observe. Let's create our directory RRD already this thing. Fetch dir /h125. Create a directory, create a file inside this one. Fast, sir. Yes, sir. All done. Done. Ready, sir? Now we'll do for SCP -r RRDIR is a directory. Root at the rate of 192.168.209.137 Yes, Do it this. SCP-R. This is the way. We need to use -R because we need to do recursive this for directory. How's directory should do recursive this. Yes or no? If I do again also, SCP going to work. Correct? But it's not advantage for me. So we use the rsync. That I'm going to copy. Sir, shall I do? It transferred, sir. Second time I'm going to transfer, it's not going to work because it already existing. Super. 1000 files is there, sir. SCP use 1000 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. SCP ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. rsync ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ only one file going to transfer. Understand difference, right? Correct. Getting? Now I'm going to understood or not, sir? Understood, sir? Clear? I'm going to create another few files under what is the directory RRT. H12 what is it? Y12 Y5 I'll do. Now I'll do rsync. Please observe, please observe, please observe, please observe. Only new file what I created, that is only going to transfer now rsync ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ. Sorry, Y12 Y5. Correct alva? What the new change is happening, that only going to transfer, not the complete thing. Understanding my point? Yes? No? Getting, sir? Please try. After completing, you can wind up. I'll also. I need to go, sir, tomorrow. We need to go out now. Tomorrow will be clear. Done, sir? I'll paste the comments if you want. Yeah. I'll paste the complete thing from the directory. Paste the comment in chat also. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow. 11 o'clock.